brought in a striker in Tony Gray, proven goal scorer, so hopefully he can put some in the back of the net for us.
I don't know if I can actually pick out individual lads at the side, but I'm going to. I think the ones to watch, I think Chris Budris, for his standards, might have had a quiet season last year. The amount of goals, but the amount of work he gets through is unbelievable. This season he started like a totally different player, so from my point of view, he's going to one to watch. Obviously, I think he had the pressure of Tony coming in has obviously given that little spark that he needs, and throughout pre-season I think that a lot of the lads will say how dangerous he has looked, and nearly got himself a move to Croatia, I think, after those performances in Europe though. So for me, I think Bud's is going to be the one to watch.
Obviously we've been there about the past 3 years, so it'd be a disaster really if we didn't really get there again, so we'll be pushing for that top spot definitely.
I think it's open for everyone this year. I mean, I can't see there being particularly any weak sort of sides within the league whatsoever. I mean, how Newtown played in Europe and what they did for the Welsh football in Europe, I mean, you never know if they get a good start, you never know with those, and obviously with the two new sides that have come up, I know they're going to be itching for a good start as well, so and obviously Connors Key, I think, have added a few players into the side, so that I think everyone's sort of a bit wary about how they're going to start in their position, but I just think it's a very strong league, and I think it's sort of there for anyone really.
Goalkeeper will go with, I go with CNS's keeper. I think I like the way he plays out from the back. He can pass the ball, so I think we'll have to go with Harrison in goal.
Yeah.
Defender's age?
Well, if we're looking for a footballing centre half, I'd probably put myself in there. I'd put you in, I would.
Myself and AJ, two centre halves.
I like Connor Alderson as well. He's a good lad of mine, so maybe Connor. Yeah.
Midfielder? Probably go with, I think just talking about the lad from Rill there, weren't we?
Yeah, that Will Hughes, yeah.
Will Hughes, yeah. I think every time we played against him, he sort of caused us problems. Looks really good on the ball, so he'd be in there.
I'd probably put Tom Field in there, but he'd probably fall out of everyone, so we can't really put Tom in there, can we?
We had to go for a striker, probably just Wildy for his goals. He can sort of do nothing in a game and just pop up with one or two, so yeah, be him, I think.